Hi everyone, welcome to the session where I'll show you how to change the default browser of Jupyter Notebook. Like whenever we open the Jupyter Notebook, it will open in the Microsoft Edge browser. But if you want to open it in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, we can do that. So let's start how we will achieve this. So the line of action will be, first of all, we will run the below command. This command to generate the Jupyter notebook config file, which will be a python.py file. We will just copy this and we will open a command prompt, cmd command prompt, okay, and then we will simply run this. We will run this command. This Jupyter notebook config file will be created in particular location. So let's execute this. So you can see here C users imran.jupyter. In this folder, in this directory, this Jupyter notebook config is created. So we'll go to that location. So you can see here, C users imran.jupyter, and here this config file is open. Just open this in notepad mode, open with notepad. We'll double click and we'll search for .browser. See, search .browser and then we'll update the field. This field, c.NotebookApp.browser. So we'll search for .browser here, okay. The moment we get this, so currently if we run the Jupyter notebook command in our command prompt, just run it and you can see Jupyter notebook is being triggered, right? And this is nothing but it has opened in Microsoft Edge. Now what we will do after this, if you want to make Google Chrome as your default browser, so what you need to just search for chrome.exe, okay, and then open the path where it is present, open the file location. So this is the file location, right? So what I will do, I'll take this file location, this full file location, and I will copy it here, this entire file location, and after this entire thing is there, right? And then after I'll give space %s. So I'll take Control C, Control V, I'll copy it, I'll go to my notebook configuration. Okay, so here I will say, and the most important thing is you need to uncomment. So if you see this is my Chrome. Okay, now we will save this and we will close this. We will come out of this session, Control C, press twice, okay, and then again press Jupyter notebook. So you can see here, this is my Google Chrome browser, and here the session of Jupyter notebook is being triggered. Now similarly, if you want to again open it in Mozilla Firefox, we'll go here and we'll type firefox.exe, open the path of the file location, just copy this file, and I have already copied it. So this is my path for, and then I'll just take this copy entire thing and I will open the my notebook config. I'll open it with notepad. I'll search for browser, I'll comment this, okay, and then I need to uncomment. This is the most people will do mistake here. I have also done the same mistake after even before I have the comments are there. I'm trying to open it in Google or Firefox and it was not working. So this is one of the most important thing. Okay, just Control S and close it. Now we will come out of the session, press Control C twice, okay, and then again Jupyter notebook. Now it should open. So you can see it has triggered in Mozilla Firefox. So that's how we will use the Jupyter notebook config file, and we will update the file in the .jupyter folder, and we will open the Jupyter notebook in our preferred browser. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and also please let me know if I need to cover any other topics, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.